that's what I'm about to channel. Today this video is the second final day of Bulgaria. So it's going to be a 3-day vlog altogether. Put them on. And yeah, you've just seen day 1. Yes, day 2. We see the final day tomorrow. And then, yeah. Enjoy boys, let's go. Woo! One thing I want you all to do first actually is get down there, hit the subscribe button, because I come home in literally 3 days time I'm recording this. The video should be out on my Friday, which means for you it'll be tomorrow. I'll go home when you're watching this. Unless you're watching it a few days after it's uploaded, then obviously I'll be home. But just get down there, hit the subscribe button, because as soon as I get home there's going to be so much Newcastle content on the channel. And I can't wait to get into it. We have now officially signed Lewis Hall, which is crazy. So anyway, up the marks of the tune, let's get into today's video. And yeah, I'm over the moon. Remember guys as well, first game for me back this season is the Brentford v Newcastle home. So yeah, that'll be my first game of the season for the vlog as well. Enjoy, let's go. I didn't actually get any footage. I've just realised I didn't actually get any footage of the second day, so I just literally got maybe a little video, a little clip of the complex, and that was it. So anyway, let's get into today, day 3, and basically this is just the quad bike and then the off-road kind of stuff. Enjoy. Right lads, day 3, final day in Bulgaria. 29 degrees, it is roasting out here, too hot. We're getting picked up on a Jeep like any minute, so I need to hurry up. Something like, I think it's a Jeep. Hopefully it is, and I'll get some clips. Let's get into today's vlog. Let's go.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
There we go. So that's it now for Bulgaria 2023. Altogether there'll be no more vlogs on the channel now. Full stop. There's no going home vlogs. Just coming here and that's it. such a fun holiday. It's been really good. I've been enjoying myself full stop, especially today as well. Today's been class on the quad bikes, as you've just seen there. And as you've also seen, there's been day 1 and 2. Don't know if there's a day 3 or not. There's a day 1 and 2, but I don't know if there's a day 3. But either way, I'll edit everything tonight, and I'll put the video might even be called either the final vlog of Bulgaria or my full 6 weeks in one video or something, because I've got a few videos of what's happened in my 6 weeks as well, which is quite sick. State in my shoes at the moment for quad biking. My socks are the same, my bag's the same as well, look, so scuffy. I need everything clean for tomorrow for when I fly home. But yeah, the next video you see on the channel will be back in England, which is amazing, and I'll obviously post on Instagram and Snapchat story Harry H behind the scenes story as well when I have landed back in the UK, back in Newcastle. But I appreciate everyone for all the support. I appreciate for everyone looking at them, watching all the videos and subscribing. We've hit 90 subscribers, which is amazing. 10 more, get that to 100 before my first game, which is the Brentford v Newcastle home. And take care, stay safe, and hopefully have a safe flight tomorrow. Hope you all take care, and get down there, hit the subscribe button, get myself to 100 subscribers before the Brentford game on the 17th of September. See you guys then. Chima on the lads.